Well, it's about 6 a.m. and we're the only hardcore sunrise fans.
Good morning. Day before my birthday.
It is. You got a beautiful sunrise to start it off. Look at that.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Captain Barry's Back Bay Cruises. I'm going to show you the bathroom on the boat. Look at this here. Hand sanitizer, toilet paper. When you got to go, you got to go.
Good job.
Luxurious bath.
We will holler.
Yeah.
Let's start up the engine. Let's see if it starts.
We did used to camp at Inlet View back in the day.
Inlet View Campground.
Yes,
Oh,
long time
I like
ago.
that place. That's
Yeah.
it. That's it. Let's give our first mate a round of
All right.
applause.
Hey, we did a picture with you and Barry, Bob. Come on, you and Barry.
My finest crystal.
Thank you.
I'm sure you have the same pattern at your house.
Oh, absolutely.
Thank you.
Circa 1970, maybe?
How'd you know?
Uh-huh.
Ladies first.
Thank you.
Cheers, everybody. Cheers. 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 Cheers.
So no labor on Labor Day. Woohoo!
No labor. Captain Barry, you taking our picture? Boy.
Big step.
Oh my gosh. Okay.
4 minutes.
4 minutes.
Look at this. We're out here in the middle of the water. On the sandbank.
What if I say goodbye? What if he leaves us? He might leave.
We're really trusting, aren't we?
Like, see ya.
Survivor chicken.
Standing out here in the middle of the ocean.
Taking selfies.
Taking selfies.
Yeah, wave.
We got a good view of Chincoteague from here.
Oh, it's cracking up.
Friday.
Let's bump into that.
Yeah.
Jimbo! Hey, hi, girl! Hey you guys, peace and love.
Okay.
I'm glad you enjoyed the Captain Barry trip. That was a ball. Don't expect it to be this good next time.
Thank you. When in Chincoteague, you gotta rent scooters. That's exactly what we did. We've all got scooters, and Brenda and Dennis got a two-person cart, I guess? Buggy? Yeah. And we're all going to Mr. Whippy's right now on our scooters.
He's selling me book.
Oh my goodness.
Oh man.
You gotta just push it.
Now.
Thanks.
And that's when they said you guys are coming in around 5, and we were here till about like 5:30 or so.
Yeah, you better do
Right? Here we go, pickle shots.
Pickle, buddy!
Do you love it?
Tastes like a pickle shot.
Tastes like pickle juice.
That's sweet.
So we got a little tip about a private beach, not really private, it's a secret beach that all the locals go to. So we thought we would check it out. We pretty much have the place to ourselves. Look at this. It's about a half-mile hike from where you can park, but it's totally worth it. Hey guys, so here's the plan. It's Saturday about lunchtime and everybody's out doing their thing. Allie and her mom are out getting their toes painted, doing a little shopping. The rest of the gang are out at the gym. They'll be there for a little bit. Anyways, what I'm doing, my job, is I'm starting the decorations because today is Allie's mom's birthday. And a little while ago, a few days ago, was Allie's birthday, so we're gonna celebrate both their birthdays today. So I'm here getting all the decorations out, gonna turn this whole porch, balcony thing into a big party. So that's what I'm doing right now. I've got, let's see, what time is it? It's 1:25 and they're supposed to be back around 3:30. So we got about 2 hours to make this happen. So let's get to it. Alright guys, so we're making a lot of progress. We're getting the balloons up, all the decorations. We got a little bit more to do, but I just got an update that Allie and her mom are done with their pedicures and they're out doing a little shopping. And I'm going to continue doing this, and the rest of the gang should be back pretty soon to help me finish putting the finishing touches up on the decorations. It's going to be a good, fun surprise. I can't wait.
Said they're in Oyster Bay.
Oh, you're gonna leave it light?
Yeah. It's so funny. Neither one's expecting the other.
You want to pull it out?
So Allie and Brenda have both been like hiding this surprise from each other. They don't realize it's for both of them. And they're almost here. Alright, we're waiting on them and they're out there getting the groceries out of the car.
Oh, God.
Come on, guys.
I know.
We got wax all over.
They're taking their sweet time and the candles are burning.
I think they'll still be able to tell the numbers.
Welcome back.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Alice Mom. Happy birthday to you. I'm trying something that's not working.
Yeah, it's your special day.
It's not even spinning.
Did you know they were doing something?
Come on, blow your candles out.
What the hell?
Is this why you suggested bamboo subway?
Yes.
Y'all are stalling each other.
Gotcha.
That's funny.
There
That
it
is
is.
funny.
Aw, man.
Okay.
You look at me.
This is the CD from your birthday.
All right.
Okay.
Make a wish.
No way, that side.
Okay.
You gotta blow at the same time though.
Ready?
You go that way, I'll go this way.
Look out here.
I see that.
Look at the little crown. You were the princess. That was the birthday with the clown. We had a clown in the house. Yeah. Good job with the balloons.
There you go. There you go. All right.
Oh my gosh, how cool! Oh, wow! It matches me today.
Yeah.
And the pedicure. Oh, I love it. Oh, this is perfect. Wait, the test is if the phone fits.
Oh, I hope it does.
Oh, perfect.
That'd be so bad if it didn't.
I always don't know. That just means I need a new phone when it doesn't fit.
Yeah.
Nice.
Aw, it's pretty.
I hope you like it. You'll
Thank
try it
you.
on
I like
before
it a
you go
lot.
back to make sure it fits. Could
looks
be
like
one
it
of the
will.
last things from Dressbarn because since they're going out of business.